Waterfall number 6, I think. I apologise, it's number 5, but yeah, I'm sure it's number 6. So yeah, goes all the way down there, all the way down here, and ends beyond there, it goes round, and turns into a swamp. See? Go up a bit. Voila. One more step. Voila. Sideways. Woo. Continue. I'm sure there's another one over there. And yeah, that's the final waterfall of the whole thing. Just behind this. I'm walking on the rock. Yes, it is. It's the last one. The whole waterfall thing. Finito. The end of filming. Actually, this is a very big waterfall. At the end of filming, goes down there too.